This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Front disc brake pad replacement. Open the door and pull the hood release lever, located just above the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch to the left, then raise the hood upwards. Remove the access cover from the left cowl panel. Wipe the top of the master cylinder reservoir and cap with a clean rag to prevent contamination of the system while the cap is removed. Then remove the cap from the brake fluid reservoir. To prevent brake fluid from possibly overflowing when the calipers are fully retracted, use a syringe or suction gun to remove some brake fluid until the reservoir is approximately half full. Dispose of the used brake fluid properly. Never reuse it. Press the parking brake pedal down to apply the parking brake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts. Place a floor jack under the reinforced area along the front section of the unibody. Raise the front of the vehicle, then support it with a jack stand placed under the rocker panel seam. Repeat this for the opposite side. Remove the front wheel lug nuts and remove the wheels. Position a drain pan under the brake assembly and clean the caliper and surrounding area with aerosol brake system cleaner. Position a large C-clamp over the caliper and squeeze the piston back into its bore to provide room for new brake pads. As the piston is depressed to the bottom of its caliper bore, the fluid in the master cylinder reservoir will rise. Watch to make sure it does not overflow. While holding the guide pin hex in place with a wrench, unscrew and remove the caliper lower mounting bolt. Rotate the caliper up and suspend it with a length of wire or coat hanger to prevent the caliper from falling. Remove the outer and inner brake pads. Take note of the position of the pad wear indicator if equipped. Remove the brake pad support plates. Clean the mounting bracket with brake cleaner to remove all remaining debris. Clean the old grease off the caliper guide pins and apply a light coating of high-temperature brake grease. Reinstall the pins, seating the boot evenly onto the caliper mounting bracket. Lightly lubricate the pad contact areas of the new support plates with high-temperature brake grease. Press the support plates in place on the caliper bracket. Install the outer and inner brake pads on the mounting bracket. It may be necessary to place a block of wood against the caliper piston, then position the large C-clamp over the caliper and the block of wood, squeezing the piston further back into its bore to provide enough room for the caliper to slide over the new pads on the mounting bracket. Remove the wire supporting the caliper. Lower the caliper over the pads, then install the lower mounting bolt. Hold the caliper guide pin with a wrench and tighten the caliper mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. If not already done, remove the wire that was used to support the caliper. Pump the brake pedal slowly several times to seat the pads against the disc. Repeat this procedure on the remaining front brake pads on the opposite side. Install the wheels and lug nuts by hand, then tighten the lug nuts. Raise one side of the vehicle at a time. Remove the jack stands and lower the front of the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting.